In today's video, I'll show you how to manually add or remove contacts from your ActiveCampaign lists, either individually or in bulk. First, let's look at how to add a new contact. Sign into ActiveCampaign and open the Contacts section. Then click Add a Contact in the upper right corner. Enter the contact's email address and any other available information, such as their first name, last name, and phone number. Click Add to create the contact. After creating the contact, find the Lists section and choose the list or lists you want them to join. Click Apply to finish. You can also add an existing contact to another list. Search for the contact in the Contact section and open their profile. Find the List section, click Add, choose the list you want, and confirm the change. If you need to add multiple contacts at once, use the Bulk Editor. Start by opening Advanced Search and filter your contacts based on the criteria you need. Once the correct contacts appear, click Edit All. Choose Add to a List, select your destination list, and apply the changes. Now let's look at removing contacts from a list. To unsubscribe one contact, open their profile and find the List section. Select the list you want to change, open the Status options, and set the contact status to Unsubscribed. For multiple contacts, use Advanced Search again to find the group you want to update. Click Edit All, choose Unsubscribe from a list, select the appropriate list, and confirm the changes. Keep in mind that unsubscribing someone from a list is different from permanently deleting their contact record. If you actually need to remove a contact from your ActiveCampaign database, select the contact, choose Delete, and confirm the deletion. Before making bulk changes, always double-check your search criteria. This helps prevent accidentally subscribing or unsubscribing the wrong contacts. And that's how you manually add or remove contacts from your ActiveCampaign lists. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.